How to turn off renew on Spotify. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can actually cancel the renew of the membership on your Spotify by just tapping on your profile icon and heading over to settings and privacy. Now from here you need to check out for your subscription if you have subscribed to it yet. So once you are in your account page, you will see the button called Cancel Plan right under your plan, which could be your Spotify Premium. Click on Manage your plan option and tap on Continue to confirm. Once you do this, your plan will be cancelled to renew. You can do so to all of your Spotify plans such as Spotify Family or Duo plan. If you cancel during a zero price free trial period, your account will switch over to free service immediately, which means zero price free trial cannot be reactivated again. No need to worry, the cancellation of your plans will not affect any of the playlist or saved music that you have in your account. So, this is how you can actually cancel the renewal of your plans. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.